Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl Shanita Nicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Y'all see this lady back here, right? This is my mama. Y'all saw her before. Go ahead, say something.
Hi, everybody. Hello.
This is my mama. Well, I'm up on my mama's house. Every time y'all see this background, y'all know this is her office and I'm over her house. So I came in and I put these new press-on nails on. You know, it's different from my mani I normally get. And she was like, ooh, let me put some Color Street on there. Because y'all know she do Color Street. Go look at her previous video she did. So today she said she wanted to put some on there. And she was like, can I make a YouTube video? So she wanted to hang with y'all today. So the tutorial will not be by me. Remember, I said my next one is going to be Canva. So this one is not mine. This is my mama's. But this is how she did my nails. So if you're into nails, and even if you're not, show my mom some love, okay?
Show me some love.
Show her some love.
Show me some love.
Show her some love. All right?
Wait. Let me show you my nails, which are 2 weeks old. And all you see is growth. So, check out Sassy Sonia's Nails with Color Street. And she will put my link in the comments. And you will see the tutorial on how to apply. Very easy, dry nail polish. And you can put them on and walk right out of the door. Put them on your toes. You can put them on your hands and get beautiful manis by Sassy Sonia. So please go and check out my website.
All right, show her some love. She wanted to be on YouTube, y'all. So y'all be asking about my mom and them. So here she go. She wanted to be on YouTube. This is what she did. And y'all check it out. Show her some love.
Check me out. Show me some love.
Let's
I'm a
go.
lovable girl.
Bye. Here we go.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I am here to show a demonstration on how I am going to put Color Street strips on my daughter's nails. She has press-on nails. They're different colors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the whole look of this. And watch how it works, okay? So the sets that I will be using today are Coming Up Rose Gold. This is Coming Up Rose Gold. This is a clear overlay and a glitter. And this is one of my favorites, Tokyo Lights. Tokyo Lights and Coming Up Rose Gold. These are two of my all-time favorites from Color Street. So I'm going to show you how we're going to turn these plain but pretty nails into some beautiful nails. Okay. Now, this is what comes with the kit. When you get your Color Street kit, you get a nail file and you get a nail prep pad, and then you get your strips. You get 16 strips in each pack. So, like I said, this is the Tokyo Lights, one of my favorites, and this one is Coming Up Rose Gold. You get 16 strips and you get different sizes. So you can what you do is you figure out which size is for your nails, of course, from smallest to largest, but you get 2 of each one. So in each pack, you will get 16 strips. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean my daughter's nails by using the prep pads, the alcohol prep pads. You open them up, and of course you just clean her nails. Now she has already applied the press-on nails. So what I'm doing is cleaning them from any oils or anything that may be on the nails or that may have been on her hands. So I'm just going to put a disclaimer out there. If either one of our hands are ashy, don't judge us. Because, you know, you have to get all the oils off because you want the nail strips to stick. You get 1 prep pad per pack. But because I have 2 packs open, then I have 2. So I'm going to really do I'm going to clean it twice just to make sure that there's no residue or any type of oils or anything on the nails. Just cleaning them again. Real good. Our nail polish strips are all 100% nail polish. We have glitter, we have glitter art, we have nail art, we have clear overlays, and we have solids. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Our manis usually last from 5 to 10 days, sometimes longer. I have kept mine on even longer than that. So I think first I'm going to start with the Tokyo Lights, because this is going to cover her whole nail. So what I think I'm going to do is I usually take them out, and then I usually separate them. But you get 2 strips, as you can see. So I know I'm not going to use both of them, so I'm going to put one back in. And you also always keep your original package so you can close this up when you're done and save them. And usually what I do is I tear them so I can put them all in and put them all in the... I kind of tear them apart and put them in. So these can be used again at a later date, because I'm only going to really use 2 of these for hers. So I decided that for the middle nail, I'm going to cover. So you just kind of take it and say, okay, is this one wide enough? Is this one wide enough? And it looks like this one might be the one that I might use for this one. Okay, so now this is how you do it. You just take the strip off. And then you can turn it either way, stretch it a little bit if need be, and then you apply. Now, once you get the strip on, you just press, and you're sure that's where you want it. You press everything down, make sure it's all pressed down, and just press it. You're gonna, if you have any excess nail polish, what you do is you kind of tuck it under. You can tuck it under for just a little bit, because the nail polish needs to adhere to your nails. So I'm going to just tuck that under, and I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to go do the rest. And then once I come back, I'll just clean that up. You really can tear it off, or you can file it off. But you see how beautiful that is? Beautiful. Yep, so I changed the whole look. I covered the whole nail. Now the other ones, I'm not going to cover the whole nails. I'm just going to put, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so you put that one over there. And so for this one, I'm going to put one on this one as well. So I need to figure out which nail I'm going to cover up. Kind of put it in, make sure it's the right size. Then you just take the strip off once, like I showed you before. And this one, I think I'm going to stretch it just a little bit so I can make sure that it's going to fit on her nail. And it's very, very easy to apply. Position it. Make sure it's the right position. And then Once you're sure that it's in the right position, then you just smooth it down. You can also lift it up if you get any creases. Just lift it up and smooth it down. Then, like I said, tuck it under. Tuck it under so you can get it on the edge of your nail. Smooth it very well so it can adhere. Now, once you put your strips on, don't put any lotions or oils on your nails for maybe about 20 or 30 minutes. But as you can see, your nails are dry. Dry nail polish. You can put this on, clean it all up however you want to, and then walk right out of the door. Put your, if you're going out or anywhere, just do your nails real quick. You can touch it. No smudge, no smearing or anything. Tuck it under. Then I'll show you how. Now I can go back to the other hand that I just did. And I can show you how I'm getting ready to take it off. Now remember I tucked it under. So now I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to tear it off. You could just take it and tear it. Tear it right off. See? Then if you have any type of residue or anything under there that you need to get off, you can just take your file and file it. File it and it'll just come right off. File it and that'll get all the excess, any excess off, and just peel it off. And that nail is all done. I got the excess from the excess nail polish, dry. That's it. Okay, so I can do the same thing with this one. You can, you know what? I'm not even gonna peel this one off. I'm just gonna file it like this. We're going the same direction. Just file it and then just take it off. Get the excess polish off. Simple as that. Now it's off. And there you have it. There you have it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Okay, well, I might as well show you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I'll just tear the rest of these off and put them back in the package. Put all the excess back in the package. And then, so I'm done with this pack. Take the air out of it. Don't pay attention to my nails. They are actually 2 weeks old. And you see, all you see is growth. All you see is growth. I'm getting ready to do another mani, but these are like 2 weeks old. Still looking good. What you think?
Kids do everything you do. Real quick, look at Madison. Madison is my daughter with the braids, and then my niece is getting her nails done. So Madison is trying to do her nails because they saw me and my mom getting our nails done. Kids do the darndest things. Okay, back to the tutorial.
Still looking good. All you see is growth. So get the excess out, and then what you do to seal them, because you want to save them, is you take your flat irons, make sure they're hot, and you just seal them up. Seal the plastic right up. Just make sure you squeeze a little bit of air out and you seal the plastic up. Seal it with flat irons. Handy dandy flat irons, perfect for sealing your nails. Okay, now I'm off to the next pack. And these are the rose gold. You can tear them or cut it, whichever one you prefer. And take them out. I know I'm not going to use all of these, so I'm just going to tear them and put them back in the pack. Great accent nails for solids. You can use this on acrylic. You can use it on gel, just your regular nails. And then, of course, press-on. Like my daughter, she just went and bought some press-ons. And I'm getting ready to transform her to press-ons. So you can use these, like I said, on gel, acrylic, and natural nails. These are my natural nails. I have nothing on my nails. My natural nails are strong. After wearing acrylic and gel for 25 years after the pandemic, Of course, the shop's closed, so I decided to join the coloristry business, and I've been doing it ever since, and I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so now we're going to make a couple of accent nails. We're not going to cover all of her nails, but let's see. Okay, so I think I'm going to so now we have the finished product. These are my daughter's nails after applying a clear overlay with glitter. So this is one of our clear glitter overlays, which is half. And then this is one of our glitter designs, which is called, this one is Tokyo Lights, and this one is Coming Up Rose Gold. So what I did was I transformed her solids into a bling beauty, and I love it. These are my two favorite Color Street nails. Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you guys for tuning in, and please don't forget to go to my website and check out Sassy Science Nails. We will have my link in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Beautiful. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for showing my mama some love. She wanted to be part of us, y'all. Go ahead and make sure you join Queen Dreamers if you have not already. We love it over there. Check out my mom's website, and y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I love y'all. Bye. And you guys, we did it for YouTube. Can you please follow me on Instagram? Go ahead and follow Do Dream on Instagram, because we're trying to get to 10K over there too. Thank y'all. Love y'all. And remember, keep your heart open to dreams. For as long as there's a dream, there is hope. And as long as there is hope, there is joy in living. Word to Anonymous. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.